So, you've heard the stories. AI is coming for your job, robots are going to take over, and we'll all be out of work. But what if the reality is less dramatic, and actually more useful? These 3 AI tools could replace your 9-to-5 job this year. Quick branded intro, and stick to the end for my favorite tool. We'll break down what they are, how they work, and why they matter. Then I'll show you where to try them for free. Science fiction movies, a future that feels inevitable and terrifying. The AI takeover isn't about replacement, it's about collaboration. A super-powered assistant handling tedious, time-consuming tasks, freeing you to focus on what matters. The big ideas, the creative vision, the human touch. Less hostile takeover, more powerful upgrade. We're at the edge of a massive shift in how we create, build, work. These aren't just tools, they're partners. They learn, they adapt, they enable what once took weeks. Productivity isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter with the right AI. It's time to see what's really possible. First up is a tool that's going to be a game changer for designers, developers, and anyone who's ever had an idea for an app but didn't know where to start. It's called Galileo AI. In simple terms, Galileo AI is a text-to-UI generator. You give it a simple, plain English description of a screen you want to design, and it generates a fully editable user interface in seconds. It's like having a senior product designer on call 24/7. It understands conversational language. No complex commands. It's been trained on thousands of top-tier app designs, so it understands effective, intuitive, aesthetically pleasing interfaces. It doesn't just spit out a random layout. It considers user flow, component hierarchy, and modern design principles. Ask for a login screen with social media integration. It will generate the input fields, buttons, and icons exactly where you'd expect. It automates the time-consuming wireframes and mockups. The designs are fully editable in Figma. This is a crucial feature. You're not locked in. Tweak colors, adjust spacing, change fonts, and refine to match your brand. Real-world example, a food delivery app called Quick Bites. Type the prompt. Search bar, categories with icons, featured restaurants near me, and in under a minute you have a professional design to present. Now, let's talk about the development side of things. If Galileo AI is the instant designer, then GitHub Copilot Workspace is its engineering counterpart, the Code Whisperer. It's a native, Copilot-powered environment that goes from idea to code with natural language. Open a project or issue. State your goal in plain English. Example: add a new feature to this app that allows users to upload a profile picture. It analyzes the entire codebase and formulates a step-by-step plan. Which files to create, which to modify. You approve the plan. Then it generates the code, components, back-end logic, and tests. You are always in control. Review every line, make edits, ask for revisions. Practical use case: fixing a bug. Paste the report. It analyzes the issue, identifies problematic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then proposes a fix. Validate, merge, close the issue, in a fraction of the time. The biggest win is reduced cognitive load. It handles discovery, so you can solve the core problem. Onboarding accelerates. It guides which files to touch and how to follow project patterns. Boilerplate and tests are generated, encouraging better practices under tight deadlines. From scratch, tell it. Create a blog with React front-end, Node.js back-end, CRUD, auth. It generates structure, files, database schema, endpoints, components. What took a week of setup now fits in an afternoon, freeing you to focus on what makes your app unique. And now, for the one I'm most excited about. It's called Runway Gen 3 Alpha. Runway has led AI video, but Gen 3 is a quantum leap. Text to video, image to video. It generates clips with coherence, fidelity, and control we haven't seen before. Think, an incredibly realistic, AI-generated astronaut looking out at a swirling nebula. It excels at realistic human characters with a wide range of actions and emotions. You're not rolling the dice, you can guide structure, style, cinematography. Motion Brush lets you paint motion into a still image, and advanced camera controls specify pans, tilts, and zooms. It's moving into true AI filmmaking, where you direct the system toward your vision. This could revolutionize production for independent creators, marketers, and small studios, slashing cost and complexity. Generate custom B-roll, create animated storyboards, even produce short films from your laptop. No budget for a mountain road? Use a still or a prompt and create a photoreal clip, Specify the camera angle, the speed of the car, even the lens flare from the sun. Create stunning, contextually relevant footage that would have been impossible otherwise, without leaving the studio. The potential here is just staggering. Stick around. This is my favorite tool of the three. So, there you have it, 3 AI tools changing how we work today. Galileo turns a sentence into a beautiful app design. Copilot Workspace builds features from natural language. Runway Gen 3 generates breathtaking video clips. They don't replace human creativity. They amplify it, removing the tedious and time-consuming. This is about collaboration, not obsolescence. Augment your abilities and build more than ever. Links below to try these out for free. Grab my AI Toolkit PDF, or use my affiliate links if you want to support the channel. Dive in, experiment, and see what you can create. The future isn't just coming, it's here, and it's ready for you to build with it. Let me know what you think.